joint initiative represents our dedication to safeguarding public health, preserving marine life, and ensuring a sustainable future for the next generation.
Yung simpleng pagdisiplina sana natin sa ating mga basura, yung tamang pagsesegregate, maliit na bagay pero malaking bagay para sa ating kinakalikasan.
In our school, we joined this coastal cleanup because we care for our environment and we want to create change.
It's parang norm na namin dito sa loob ng resort na to do the segregation on our part or even recycling of mga papel, ganyan. We just don't throw them away. We hope activities like this will be sustained not only during ganitong panahon but also ma-instill lang sa mga neighboring community namin to be constant din or consistent with their activities.